I'm Vicky Stokes, and in this Get Ahead video, I'll be showing you how to make Cornell notes. At Denmark Road Sixth Form, we recommend you use the Cornell method of note-taking when watching videos. You can do this by hand on lined paper, or alternatively you can type it. So the first thing you need to do is split the page. So we suggest you have the video title, and in this case we're going to watch The Why Do We Itch by Emma Bryce. The topic, and you could also put the spec statement in there if it's appropriate. This one's just a biology interest video. The most of the page is split into a small section for questions, the large note section, and then at the bottom of the page you have space for your key terms and your definitions. I'm now going to show you how to write notes watching a video, and we will watch the video as we go.
Have you ever pondered why we itch in the first place? The average person experiences dozens of individual itches each day. They can be triggered by all sorts of things, including allergic reactions, dryness, and even some diseases. And then there are the mysterious ones that pop up for no reason at all.
So you can see from here we've got reasons for itching, so I think that's quite important. So I'm going to put dryness, allergies, some diseases, no reason, or even just talking about it. And then I'll press play. Sometimes I might even have to rewind if I don't understand
or just
something.
from talking about itching. You're scratching your head right now, aren't you? Anyhow, let's take one of the most common sources, bug bites. When a mosquito bites you, it releases a compound into your body called an anticoagulant that prevents your blood from clotting.
So that was a key word there. So I've got most common is bug bites. They mentioned it was a mosquito. They mentioned they release anticoagulants. And then at the bottom, this seems to be a key word. So I'm going to go down to my key terms. I'm going to put anticoagulant. And I'm going to put the definition, prevents clotting. And then I'll go back up. If I need to, I can just rewind the video a little bit. And then I can press play.
Called an anticoagulant that prevents your blood from clotting. That compound, which we're mildly allergic to, triggers the release of histamine, a chemical that makes our capillaries swell. This enables increased blood flow, which helpfully accelerates.
Okay, so that went quite fast there. So I've got triggers release of histamine, which makes capillaries swell and increases blood flow. I will continue to do this for the rest of the video, and in part 2 I'll show you what you do next.